In activity 2.23, I'll demonstrate using calculated fields in a query. Click on the Create tab, Query Design. Let's select Scholarships Awarded, expand it, and for this one we'll be using student ID, scholarship name, and amount. Now, if we run this query, that's what we'll see. Let's close the navigation window and let's click on Design View. Now I'm going to show you how to create a calculated field. For these scholarships, there's an organization that has decided they'll put up a matching amount. So if you get a $100 scholarship, they'll match 50%, and so the total scholarship amount would be $150. If you get $1,000, this organization will match 50%, $500, so the total scholarship would be $1,500. So we have student ID, scholarship name, and amount. Now right click in the field box of the first vacant column, select zoom, and type matching donation colon, followed by a square bracket, amount, end square bracket. This is a special syntax telling Access that you're referring to the amount field. Multiply that by 0.5 or 50% and say OK. Now the matching donation, when you run the query, shows up as 50% of the amount. So 50% of 300 is 150, and so on. Now let's go back to Design View and right click in the next open column in the field box, click zoom, type total donation, and then again put amount, this time plus matching donation, which is the field the field we created, the calculated field we created in the previous column. And now when we run the query, you'll see that 300 plus 150 equals 450. Now our formatting is off a little bit. This is $300 with no decimal places. This is 150 with no dollar sign or decimal places, and this is 450 with 2 decimal places. So go back to Design View, click in the Matching Donation field. In the Show Hide box under Design, click Property Sheet, Format, Currency, Decimal Places, 0, and then click in the Total Donation, Format, Currency, Decimal Places, 0. Run the query, and now everything is uniform in terms of the formatting. Let's save the query. We'll call it last name, first name, to be matching donations query. Open the navigation pane. Let's go ahead and run it wherever it is. Here it is. I'll double click it, which runs it. We've got the right title set. Let's go print it. Print preview, and this time we will do something. We'll change it to landscape. There we go. Print it. Select the PDF writer. We have the correct name. Save it. Close the print preview. Close the query. We're done with this lesson.